Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a partnership tax return. Filing a partnership tax return involves several key steps to ensure compliance. Partnerships use Form 1065 to report their financial activities, including income, gains, losses, deductions, and credits. The partnership itself doesn't pay income tax. Instead, profits and losses are passed through to individual partners. Each partner then reports their share on their personal tax returns using a Schedule K-1, ensuring proper allocation of tax responsibilities. Before you begin filling out Form 1065, it's crucial to gather all necessary financial documents. This includes comprehensive income statements, detailed expense records, and information on any asset purchases or sales. You'll also need accurate capital account information for each partner, reflecting their contributions and withdrawals. Don't forget to review any guaranteed payments made to partners, as these are also reported on the return. Having everything organized will streamline the filing process. When completing Form 1065, you'll start by entering basic partnership details like your employer identification number. Then, you'll report your gross receipts or sales, calculate your cost of goods sold, and list various business deductions. This helps determine the partnership's ordinary business income or loss. Finally, you'll allocate each partner's share of this income, along with other items, onto individual Schedule K-1 forms. These K-1 are essential for each partner's personal tax return. The standard deadline for filing Form 1065 is March 15 for partnerships operating on a calendar year. If you need more time, you can request an automatic 6-month extension by filing Form 7004, which typically extends the deadline to September 15. Remember, an extension to file is not an extension to pay any taxes owed. Once the partnership's return is filed, partners use their Schedule K-1 information to complete their individual tax returns, reporting their share of the partnership's income or loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.